Hello YouTubers, this is Mario. Yes, Mario. I am going to today show you me collection, including me. So here we go now. The first is Mario. Here you. Yes, Mario, so good. And his brother Luigi. Yay! Woohoo! He can move his head, but Mario can't. Sound why? This Mario Kart, the antenna broke and the battery ran out, like died. Donkey Kong could punch anybody, like King K. Rool. Cool. There's Mini Mario, yay! Yoshi, Yoshi, what my ends at? This Luigi pullback car. It's good. I got it from Toys R Us. I was about to get Mario, but I had a Mario Kart right here, so I got this one. Sonic, his arm broke because I couldn't find him for a long time, so I found him like this. Oh, Yoshi card from Burger King. Oh. I mostly have a lot of Yoshis. This one from McDonald's. Oh, Paper Mario. I forgot where I got this from. Koopa Troopa? Yeah, yes. Where's Bowser? Huh? This is not really a Nintendo like a Mario person, but Scorpion. I got it from some store. He's so cool. I lost his sword, but he's cool. His head comes off. Look. Oh, I think it's for a vitality or something. My Mario thing, I got it from somewhere. It has 3 tones. That's like a jump. Turns it big. If he dies, coins. When you start the game, and a life. Ow! Shadow, Super Shadow. His leg broke off. I don't know. Oh yeah, because he fell off my counter. Now to my plushies. Bowser, he's cool. But his eyebrows move all the time. Look at his eyebrows. I just got Luigi. He looks so cool. Like when he does this, he could fight. He's like, "Bring it on, yo! Bring it on, Bowser! Bring it on!" Uh-oh. Mario doesn't look exactly like Luigi, but still good. I mean, he's not taller than Luigi. That's good. Yoshi, you remember him from Mario Bros. Save Yoshi. Yoshi. Why am I yellow? Well, and this is not really. He used to be in Nintendo, but he's still good. I like him. Conquer. Conquer. Where the teddy's at. Okay. So that's my Mario collection. Donkey Kong. So I might make a video today about the plushies again, or the action figures. So bye YouTubers, it's Luigi. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.